special treat for you today. Tidied the workshop, well, a little bit. Hi folks, quick little video today just to give you a bit of an update on what we've got coming up. Next week I'll be releasing the remaining stages of our little bathroom build that we've done. So that'll be installing the toilet, the shower, the tiling, and all the little bits that went along with that, along with finishing installing all of the laminate flooring around the utility and everywhere up there. Now the main reason for this video is just to let you know that Joe and I will be both at the Yandles show this weekend. The show runs Friday and Saturday, and Yandles, if you don't know about it, is originally the sawmill, which I made a video on a little while back. It's a big traditional sawmill, but it's now got a fully kitted out woodworking shop. I think they've got workshops where they run courses as well. They've also got a craft centre and all this sort of stuff and a gallery, so you can really make a day of it. Anyway, we've been invited down to their new Makers Corner where it's just a bunch of like-minded folk going to meet up, and there's some demonstrations and things like that going on. There's also a bit of an exhibition roadshow where different brands will be there with their stalls and all their gear. So with that in mind, I know I've got a bit of a shopping list to take with me. Don't tell Joe, I'll do that on the Friday when I'm there on my own. But we're actually going to pick out the oak we're going to build our own worktop for the utility. So we're going to go into the self-selection area and pick out some slabs of the good stuff. But there we go. If you are heading down, then do let me know, and hopefully we can catch up there. I think I'm right in saying that there's going to be some stuff for kids there. So I think Sophie's from Mini Makers on Instagram. She's going to be there running a little activity area for kids. Not sure whether we've got 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of our kids coming down with us, but even so, if you want to head out and you want a good excuse to drag the family along, then rest assured, I think there's enough there for everyone. Take a look at that. We can see the floor today. Now, while that side is, of course, just still mess and man toys, over this side, we've got the workbench. I'll put it up against the window because it's frees the room up a little bit more. Dad and I managed to get that window in, and that is nice to have a bit of daylight. I've bunged all of our slabs and bits and bobs of bare materials over in that corner. And then that kind of just frees up this whole space. Now I just use these temporary trestle tables. These are just from a relic of my days as a chef doing catering. But these are pretty inexpensive trestle tables. They're like a honeycomb structure, so they're actually quite strong. They take a bit of weight and they've got steel legs. But I use it literally like a sacrificial table. So even with the track saw or over here, like you see the router, it is what it is, but it gets the job done, and it's a nice temporary solution for if you're just setting up outside or in a garage or something like that. I think these ones are actually only about £10 each. If you've got a Nisbets, which is like a catering supplies company, if you've got one of those near you, if you go there, they've sometimes got a seconds or sale area at the back, and if there's any scratches or anything on things like tables, they bung them in there, and like I say, I picked up 3 of them and I think they were £10 each. Anyway, that's my plug for the show, so hopefully we'll see some of you there, and if you are going, then do let us know and drop in and say hi. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time. One more thing before you go, big news, we now have merchandise in the form of stickers, and it's taken us 6 years, but now we can officially call ourselves YouTubers because we have our own stickers. If you would like a sticker, come and find us, because it is cool, I promise. It's like grown-up Pokemon cards or something like that. Come and find Joe or I, and we will give you a sticker. What has it come to? What has it come to? Stickers. Stickers, stickers, stickers. You should do top trumps or something as well. Right.